Hello, hello. This is Els coming from Beamish Crafty Corner. And I wanted to show this to you guys because I started this the other day during a live stream. And I put it all together. And so I wanted to show it to you guys, okay? Now, if you remember, I did this out of this paper pack called Fairies from Little Birdie that I got on my Utah scavenger. Okay? So there's 24 sheets in here at 6x6. It's all cardstock. And I can show you what the sheets look like. And this one right here. You can put that in the bag. And we'll take a look. So the first one looks like that. And then we get this one. This one. And there was this one here with all the little buttons in it. And then it had a couple of pages. There was that one that looks like boards. And then there was a couple of pages of these little cutouts like that went in here. And then this beautiful butterfly paper. And this beautiful flower paper. And then there was a piece of this pink and also a piece of the purple. But I used all the purple, so I can't show you that. I'll show you in the book. So, I also got the ephemera pack for this. And I used everything for the ephemera pack. So, let me show you what I got here. So, this is made out of file folders. Okay? So it's pretty sturdy. It's got some weight to it. I used a piece of holographic purple tape here on the binding just to double secure my binding. And then I put this little butterfly here and this little trim here with the little piece in the middle. And this is actually out of a different collection. And a little lace on the trim here on the border. And then when you open it up, I put in a couple of tags right here. And then use one of the pieces to make a corner piece. And then I've got a couple of tags in here with some seam tape. And this is a sticker. It's a washi sticker. And then just bits of ephemera. And then on this one, I made a little pin, little clip that goes up here. And I left this page mostly open. And then I put one of those washi roses right here with this little piece of lace on top. Added a tag. And that's a washi sticker too. And then a little bit of double trim here. And I added some page turners. And then up here I put this little vellum envelope with some little cards for journaling in it. And this little piece of ephemera here with a little piece of ribbon underneath it. And then over here I added this little fairy swinging in the tree. And I put a little piece of leaf trim on there and then left this page pretty much blank so you can add a picture or something. And then I put a little pocket here with a little scalloped edge and a nice heavyweight card here with a little piece of something on it. And then this one here has a top tab. It just says Magic Spells, a little mushroom down here, a cute mushroom. And then just butterfly paper. And then I put some more of those little cutout things here and I added one of the butterfly pockets with some rickrack and like a bookmark. And that's another washi sticker. And then over on this side, I added this little tag here on a piece of book page and a little antique flower with a couple of those little cutouts and then some more of that stonework. And this little gnome guy in here that you can put, just so you can put some tags in there if you want to. Okay? And then I put one of those little pop-up butterflies, a little piece of lace, and another tab here. Then I made a little flip here so you can put notes in. And then a couple of double pockets here with a couple of different tags. A little piece here. And then I put some more cards in here, and this says Believe. And it's got some flowers, a little background. Double pocket here as well. There's a little journaling card here. And then just another pocket for you to be able to put in some journaling cards. Another tab. And then here, I put in 2 belly bands. And in between the belly bands, I added some journaling cards that go in there, and there's just a couple pieces of the ephemera. That's a washi sticker, a couple of little tags here, some butterflies, and another tab. And then here I have another one of those book pockets that I added some things to, and I've got a larger tag here in the back and a smaller tag here in the front. And then over here, I have another one of those pockets that I kind of fussy cut the page, and I add a little pocket in there. And then I have this little detail here that just divides it in this beautiful washi butterfly up here. And then on the next page, well, I should show you this. I have a big card up here for journaling. See that? It goes in there. It's right in this pocket up here. And then I've got 2 tags here, and then I have 2 tags here that are underneath this little piece, and you can go on either side of that if you want to, like that if you want, or you just put them in here together. And then I put in this beautiful envelope. Isn't that pretty? I love that. A little journaling space here, and another one of the fairies, and then I put in some blank paper in here, some butterflies on it for journaling. You see that envelope is decorated all inside. It's very pretty. It just kind of matched the overall color scheme, so I added that in. And then over here, I have this nice big pocket, and I added this little book with some natural paper in there. And then another little tag over here. And we've got some more tabs. And then I put some tags in the back here. Now I didn't put any string or anything on these tags because I wanted you to be able to do what you want with them. But I have a bottom pocket and a very large corner pocket here. This is a big pocket. And then another tab here. And then we've got another fairy kind of sitting in a tree up here. Some more journaling places. Another one of those big butterflies. Left this page blank for you to put pictures and things in. And then on the back we just have a couple of little pieces. So that's my little fairy journal that I made. Okay, this is perfect for, you know, a little girl, and maybe your niece or granddaughter, something like that. Just the right size for her to be able to kind of go in and do what she wants with it. So this is my little book, and I'm going to sell it. So if you're interested in this book, I am asking $40 for it, plus shipping. At the very most, this would be $8 in shipping, because I can get it into a bubble package. At the very least, probably be about $4 or $5. So, so $40, and I will ship anywhere in the U.S. Okay? So I'm going to hold on to it for a little bit before I put it in the store. So if you're interested, please contact me via Facebook, or you can get in touch with me by email at bmascraftycorner@gmail.com, and I will be more than happy to put this in the mail for you. Okay? All right. Well, that's all I wanted to tell you. That's it. I just wanted to show you guys the book. Okay. So, till the next time, down there, hit the button. Okay? It's like right over here. Hit that red button. The big red button. There. Okay. Like me. Ring my bell. Share me with all your friends. I got fairies and butterflies. Till the next time, guys. Bye-bye.